Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you total two websites where we can create a Dofollow social bookmarking backlink. So the first website name is dftsocial.com. So this is a website dashboard and this is the URL. So before they started we can saw something about that website. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 44. So this is a website dashboard. So now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you can hit the subscribe and like button. So simply you can click on the register button and there you guys will fill your all details and you will verify your captcha. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. Then you can click on the create user button. Once you guys will create, so you will see this is your profile landing page URL, and once you guys will create your profile, so after a couple of days you guys will update your profile details with the help of there. Now you will see there is a setting button. From there you guys will fill your all details. Right now this is not possible because we have created a fresh account, so this is a privacy policy any another things on this website. So now we have created, so simply you will see there is a submit button. You can click on this and there you guys will add your website URL, which URL you wanting to do social bookmarking. Then you can click on the continue button and you will see there is a story title button. So we have already generated our content. Tag is interview management system and we add our description. And there you guys will verify your captcha. Then you can click on the save and submit button. So you will see this is your profile social bookmarking landing page URL and this is your backlink, and I will show you this is a Dofollow backlink. So you guys will see it's 100% Dofollow backlink. There is no any indication for the Nofollow or no referral. And another thing, so the next website name is cosoc.com. So you will see for this website domain rating is 63 and you will see there is a sign up free button. You can click on this and there you guys will add your email address and your username and your password. And you will select any of this option from there and you can acknowledge the terms and condition and you will click on the continue button. I guess they detected a spam activity with the help of my IP on my IP. So you guys will check on this website on your system if is this working, so you can use, because right now this website I might be not working in India or any specific IP addresses, so that's why these things are happening. So this is a process for the backlinking on this side. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys will gonna to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.